up, yo? It's your boy Jay Cruz on the AUDIOZONE channel, man. We have another beautiful build coming in, man. We have a beautiful orange Dodge Charger came in, man. The guys already began assembling. Got some custom Forgiatos on there, man. We're gonna be ripping this car apart and making a difference. So I'm gonna let y'all see what it looks like now. So what it gonna look like when we get done. You can see everything on this car is completely stock for now. We took this off to max the paint to get an exact match. Look at the factory bumper. Adolfo is there up in the building. We got security guard for the owner of the vehicle, man. Come here. Say your name for the camera.
Big Hunt, man.
Ben Hunt been trying to hunt me since he got here. He been looking at me like, bro, what's wrong with this boy? Ever since he got there, look at the owner of the vehicle. State your name for the camera.
Sonny, man.
Sonny, I got a question for you. Why the hell are you here watching the work on your car?
So what?
Why the hell are you here watching the work on your car? You like your boss watching you when you're working, man?
No.
Damn. But anyway, guys, the guys are doing what they got to do. I got some other footage of the car ready, but y'all just stay tuned for this. We got another one just leaving the shop right now. It's gonna be, of course, Hemi-Life 44. Just got his subwoofer amp installed. Stay tuned to this video for the complete video. Hemi-Life 44, man, it's a pleasure and honor to be working on him. We got a lot of other cars coming in the building, man, but he's gonna be stepping out the building right now. We're working on his Widebody, stay tuned. So the team has removed the front bumper, removed the back bumper, and now we're getting ready to do the replacement of the Widebody of this build. Guys, so this is look at the new bumper, that's the old bumper. What are you doing here, Adolfo?
Putting the new sensors on the new bumper.
Because these holes here, you made them, right? They weren't there? You made those holes, and you're mounting the sensors to the new bumper. So you're plastic welding it with that machine. That's a plastic welder. We got a plastic welder at AUDIOZONE?
Yes, sir.
Damn it, man. We're getting advanced over here, making sure that people get their stuff right. But that's the process. Stay tuned. Screw, so you can see the job has begun. Gordo's already magically marked his marks, as you can tell. So now he's getting the pieces on there to do the marking of all the kits to be able to get this installed. So now I'm gonna take y'all through a time lapse of the rest of most of this build, so y'all can stay tuned.
on the AUDIOZONE channel. Just give y'all an update of another wide body that we got going on. So this is the actual old bumper from the car, which is being upgraded to this bumper on the car. This bumper has already been set on the car. It's already glued. Everything that we do and now it's taped up so it can actually adhere to the car. We got the rear bumper on with all the vents on. As y'all can see, we are having an issue with the diffuser. For some reason, it does not want to clip in and stay. So, of course, we got different methods for that. We got the other side done also. So, I'm gonna show y'all the front now. Gordo's actually fitting the front right now so that it can start being glued and placed on the car. As y'all can see, all the sanding, the cutting, and everything is being done. Well, the sanding part is already done. And then since we going 24s on this build with spacers, some cutting got to be done also. Otherwise, he'll be scraping. And if y'all seen REELTOREAL's car, then y'all know it'll eat the tires up quick. Front bumper placement is on with drills. It is not in yet. As y'all can see, we don't have any gaps when we do our wide bodies. This side, as you see, the difference has not been cut whatsoever. It's just been sanded down so that the glue and everything can adhere to the car better. This car is also getting the fog lights, right, Josh? So this car is getting the fog lights on the side of the vents down there, like Rail's car. Gordo is about to glue this up, right? The Gordo's over here prepping so he can get the glue inside the gun, get the gun ready to go there. So once this part is done, we'll be back.
Coming out the bay, the orange wide body is done. So I'm gonna give y'all an update so you gotta take a look at her. But right now it's her first moment out the bay. Now you can see, she is gone. Fog lights in the front, custom done. That's the reel-to-reel effect with the, of course, turn signals. We got the original orange on the car, got the wheel spacers on the Forgiatos. So he's running the 40, he got the caps at home. But you can see that this wide body is completely done, y'all. Completely done. True. We would definitely want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support you guys are giving this channel, man. We're on our way to 15K, man, which is something that if you would have asked me, we're going to accomplish, I would have never thought. So shout out to REELTOREAL for the support. Motivation is always given on this channel, man. And shout out to all my YouTube family, man. Mountain Fame, Demonology, and everybody. Truthfully, been a great adventure, man. But I just want to truthfully take this from you guys and thank you guys for all the support that you guys give us, man. Stay tuned. And we got a lot more videos coming out to you guys, man. We want to thank you guys for everything. God bless.